Hey everyone, Terry here at SkinzTek. Today we are going to watch Eric install 3M Scotch Guard paint protection film on this front bumper of this Lucid Air Touring. So right now Eric is spraying some slip solution and really just trying to get the film in place, making sure it lines up accurately. So here you're going to see Eric start stretching the material, and that's because we utilize this software from 3M. This software gives us templates of the different parts of the vehicle. Now, we don't use these templates on every part of the vehicle. It really just depends on coverage and what type of coverage we're trying to get. So once the software produces this template or the areas that we want, we're then able to send it to our GraphTech plotter. The GraphTech plotter then cuts the film. So now that Eric has the pattern lined up, he's going to start utilizing some tack solution to tack down these edges of the bumper to get them in place. The hot water is going to soften the material a little bit to let it stretch, ease into that stretch, and tack right into that corner so that it holds in place and he's able to align the other parts of the bumper.